In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms for event registration. This process is perfect for anyone planning an event and looking to streamline the registration process by collecting essential information digitally. Let's begin by heading over to Google Forms, which you can access by navigating to forms.google.com on your web browser. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. It's free and only takes a few moments. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Forms homepage. Here, you'll see options to start a new form from scratch or choose from templates. For event registration, there's a handy template available, but for the sake of learning, let's start from scratch. Click on the blank form icon to open a new form. Right away, you'll notice the form fields where you can customize and enter the title and description for your form. Give your form a name that clearly represents the event. For example, Spring Gala Registration. In the description field, you could include more information about the event, like the date, location, and any special instructions participants need to know. This sets the stage for what your registrants can expect. Next, let's talk about the form questions. The format is flexible, allowing you to select the type of response you require from participants, whether it's short text answers, multiple choice, or checkboxes. Start by clicking on the first question. You might want to ask for basic details like the participant's full name. Click where it says Untitled Question, enter Full Name, and change the response type to Short Answer using the drop-down menu on the right. Adding another question is simple. Click the plus icon on the toolbar to include a new question. You can repeat this for any additional details you need for your event. It's often useful to ask for email addresses, which can be set up in a similar way. Another important field could be attendance options, which could employ the multiple choice question type. For example, will you attend the networking luncheon with yes or no as response options? Remember that you can make any question mandatory by toggling the required switch found at the bottom of each question card. This will ensure that participants fill out all the necessary information before submitting the form. Before wrapping up, preview your form by clicking on the eye icon at the top right. This shows you how it will appear to respondents, allowing you to make sure everything looks perfect. After confirming everything is set, click the gear icon for additional settings like notifications for new submissions or creative response collection methods. Finally, once you're satisfied with the form, click Send in the upper right corner to retrieve the shareable link. You can copy this link and distribute it as needed, whether through email, social media, or on a website. And that's it. You've now created a Google form for event registration, streamlining your attendee management and gathering any important details with ease.